In this exercise, you'll be testing a class called emitter. You may be familiar with some... So to test this getRelativeTime function, I need to mock time. To do that, first, date and time are one of the... Here you have a debounce utility function. It accepts a callback as an argument, and what it does is returns a debounce version of that callback. Effectively, it will make... Let's talk about... So now you learn how to mock all sorts of date and time related things. Mocking... Now you expanded your mocking arsenal to include working with... Receiving a response, whether it's a successful response or a network response. And this concludes the mocking... Oh, sorry. Yoo-hoo! You completed the mocking techniques workshop and can officially call yourself a mocking ninja. Techniques you learned... It's so difficult to explain.